Let's start working on question 1 in this video. So we have a profit maximizing firm that can hire at most one worker, and it can choose between two types of worker. So a proven worker and a risky worker. Now we know that a proven worker generates us 50,000 euros in revenues. A risky worker can generate us 70,000 euros or 40,000 euros. Now the probability that a risky worker generates us 70,000 euros is 0.3, meaning that the remaining probability of 0.7, he generates us 40,000 euros. Besides that, we also know the yearly cost of a proven worker to be 40,000 euros, and also the yearly cost of a risky worker is also 40,000 euros. Now, also the discount rate and the interest rate of the company are 0. In part A, we want to know which type of worker will the firm hire if it exists only for 1 year. Now, what does the company think about? It thinks about its profits. And because we're dealing here with probabilities, then we're dealing with uncertainty, meaning that we're looking for expected profits. So we are going to look for the expected profit of a proven worker and the expected profit of hiring a risky worker. Now, what would be the expected profit of hiring a proven worker? Well, let's see. We know that the proven worker generates us 50,000 euros in revenues with a probability of 1. That's the maximum certainty. So we would have an expected revenue of 50,000 multiplied, let me just write that again, 50,000 multiplied with 1, and then we have to incur a cost for hiring that guy, which is 40,000 euros per period minus 40,000. And since we're dealing with one period only, that's all that we care about. So 50,000 minus 40,000 would equal to 10,000 euros in expectation. That's how much we expect to get from the proven worker. Now, with the same logic, we want to find out the expected profit of a risky worker. What do you know about the risky worker? Well, he generates us 70k with a probability of 0.3 or 40,000 with a probability of 0.7, meaning that in expectation, that would be equal to 70,000. So let me change colors real quick. That would be equal to 70,000 multiplied with 0.3 plus 40,000 times the remaining probability, 40,000 times the probability of 0.7, and we also have to incur a cost of hiring the guy, so minus 40,000, and we only hire him for one period, so that would be it. Now, what would be the expected profit of this worker? That would be equal to 9,000 euros, so 9,000 euros. Now, what can we see over here? If we compare the results between 10,000 euros that we can get from a proven worker versus 9,000, well, 10,000 is better, so we will go for the proven worker to hire for 1 year. Hope this makes sense. In the next video, we're going to go to part B.